Okay, about 4 degrees centigrade, winds about 15 miles an hour, and it's very damp. It's been raining. Target itself is a couple of weeks old. There we go. Check this. Check this. There we go. Check this. Okay, kitty, search. Okay, come on. No. Kitty, search. So he's upwind of it, and it's hidden in the crack of this outbuilding. So let's see if he can find it. And the problem is going to be maybe that scent is sitting out. Where is it? I'm just going to see what I can do like this. This was a little tougher than I intended it to be. I should have thought about the fact that he was checking high, but the scent was going to be on the ground. But he's looking. Where is it? Where is it, kitty? There we go. And of course I stuck it in a crack under the floorboards of the outbuilding, because most of the cat searches that we have done, the ones we've found, or at least narrowed down the space, have all been inside of something, a drain pipe or a crawl space. Where is it? Where's the kitty? All right, now let's hope he's not going back to the picnic table, and that was my error. I wanted to leave a scent pool, but I probably should have put that particular towel up. Where's the kitty? Where is it? Come on. Where's the kitty? If he does not eventually get... Oh, very good. I mean, he's checking drain pipes. So he's very good about actually looking in places. So that much he's got down. Where is it? Where's the kitty? Oh. Oh, very good. He found it. Where's the kitty? Where is it? This one's going to be hard because it's actually down in that crack down in there. Where is it? Where's the kitty? Oh, that was perfect! Oh boy, that was hard, because there it is, down in that crack. Right there. Oh, and that's such a good signal too. Oh, that is perfect. You are such a good puppy, especially considering it's been a while since we practiced.